Hello there! Today we're going to be decorating real sugar skulls from Mexico. These are called calaveritas, which means little skull. And they're actually made from sugar, even if they look really hard. That's because they're made with a technique brought by the Spanish to Mexico called alfeñique. So grab your feathers, grab your sequins, your glitter, and your glue, and let's start decorating these calaveritas. I'm going to show you real quick how I made one calaverita. But remember, there's no wrong way, just have fun! I put the sequins as eyes. With the glue, I make everything stick to my calaverita's face. Some glitter over here, a fancy feather on the side. There's so many materials to have fun with. Which ones will you choose for your calaverita? I hope you had fun decorating these calaveritas. Are you gonna name them? I already went ahead and named this one Maria. What names do you have in mind? I'll see you next time. Bye!
Dos Manos Craft Kits.
To see more Dos Manos kits, go to www.teachersdiscovery.com and type in Dos Manos in the search bar.